Welcome to IS6FX tutorial video. In this video, we will show you how to make your first trade on MetaTrader 4 for macOS. If you have not installed it yet, download it from our website and follow the instructions. To begin, open the MetaTrader 4 application. Once MT4 is open, you will see the Quotes tab. To open an order, click on a currency pair and select Trade. Set your order parameters, then select Buy by Market or Sell by Market. You will see a message indicating that your order has been opened successfully. To open a pending order, click on the New Order button. You can pick the currency pair of your choosing from the drop-down menu. Click on Market Execution and select the execution type of your choosing. It can be Buy Limit, Sell Limit, Buy Stop, and Sell Stop. Set your order parameter, including price, stop loss, and take profit, and place the order. You will see a message indicating that your pending order has been placed successfully. To close order, click on Trade, then click and hold on your order and pick Close. You can then close your order. Depending on the profitability of your order, you will either see Close with Profit or Close with Loss. To modify orders, click and hold on your order and pick Modify. After modifying the parameters to your liking, click on Modify. You will see a message indicating that your order has been modified. Congratulations! You have now learned how to make a trade on MT4 for macOS. Thank you for choosing IS6FX. Happy trading!